Every single day, your cat is trying to tell you something. But the scary part is, most cat owners never notice it. Cats don't cry like humans. They don't complain. They don't beg for attention. Instead, they suffer silently. Some of the things you do every day, your cat secretly hates them. Scientists now know that cats feel stress, fear, loneliness, sadness, and even emotional pain. But because cats hide their feelings so well, most owners never realize the damage until it's too late. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes cat owners make every single day and how they slowly break a cat's trust. Number 1. Staring directly into your cat's eyes. You think it's love. To a cat, a long direct stare feels like a threat. In the wild, predators stare before attacking. That's why your cat sometimes freezes, flicks its tail, or suddenly looks away. Instead, try this slow blink. Close your eyes gently for a second, then open them slowly. That's how cats say, "I trust you." And when your cat slow blinks back, that means they love you. Number 2. Picking them up when they don't want it. Most cats hate losing control. When you suddenly grab them, even out of love, it can make them feel trapped. A quiet cat in your arms isn't always relaxed. Sometimes, they're just overwhelmed. Let your cat choose affection. When they come to you willingly, the bond becomes much stronger. Sard. Number 3. Yelling at them for scratching furniture. Cats don't scratch because they're bad. They scratch because it's natural. It helps them stretch, mark territory, and keep their claws healthy. When you yell, your cat doesn't learn "don't scratch." They learn, "my human is scary." Instead, place a scratching post near the couch. Reward them when they use it. That changes everything. Number 4. Ignoring their body language. Your cat talks to you all day long, through their tail, their ears, their eyes, even their whiskers. A slow blink means love. A flicking tail means irritation. Flattened ears mean fear. And a puffed up tail means your cat feels unsafe. The moment you start understanding these signals, your relationship with your cat completely changes. Number 5. Leaving the litter box dirty. A cat's sense of smell is much stronger than yours. To them, a dirty litter box can feel unbearable. That's why many cats suddenly start peeing outside the box. Not because they're bad, but because they're stressed. Clean it daily. And always remember this rule: one litter box per cat, plus one extra. Number 6. Forcing them to meet strangers. Cats need time. Dragging them out to meet guests only creates fear. Let them approach people on their own. When cats feel safe enough to choose interaction, they become far more social. Number 7. Seft. Feeding the same dry food every day. Cats need variety. Wet food helps hydration. Different proteins keep meals exciting. Too much dry food over time can quietly damage their kidneys. Number 8. Not giving them high places to climb. Cats feel safe above the ground. Without shelves, cat trees, or tall spaces, many cats become anxious without owners even realizing it. A cat tree near a window can completely change your cat's mood. Number 9. Yelling when they jump on counters. Your cat isn't trying to annoy you. They love height, and when you scream at them, they simply learn to fear you. Instead of yelling, make the counter boring and give them a better place to climb. Number 10. Disturbing them while they sleep. Cats sleep up to 16 hours a day, and every time you wake them up just to pet them, you interrupt the rest their brain and body desperately need. A cat that sleeps deeply near you is showing complete trust. Don't break that trust. Bringing home a new pet too quickly. Cats are territorial animals. Sudden new animal can feel like an invasion. Introduce pets slowly, separate rooms. Shared sense, patience. That's the secret. Number 12. Never playing with them. Cats are hunters. Without play, they become bored, overweight, anxious, and emotionally shut down. Just 20 minutes of play every day can completely transform your cat's happiness. Number 13. Using strong scents around them. Candles, perfumes, air fresheners, essential oils. Some smells are overwhelming for cats. Certain oils can even be toxic. Sometimes the best thing you can do is let your home smell natural. And finally, number 14. Assuming your cat is fine just because they're quiet. This is the biggest mistake of all. Cats hide pain. They hide sadness. They hide fear. A depressed cat can look calm. A sick cat can look lazy. And a lonely cat may simply become silent. That's why you have to truly watch them. Notice the little changes, because your cat has been communicating with you every single day, in silence. The slow blink, the tiny chirp, the tail held high when you walk into the room, the quiet decision to sit beside you. That is love. Your cat may never speak your language, but they've been loving you quietly their entire life. Now it's your turn to love them in a language they understand.